Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation video. So this is a set of wall sconces by Slywise. Pretty sweet remote right there. Okay, and we go off, on. Different colors of yellow, or that's cool. Dims and brighter. That's nice. Night light and bright light. Blue, green, red, orange, cyan, purple. You can have it strobe, and you can have it shimmering, whatever. That's pretty cool. Very nice. I like these a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in, and then we'll do a final just kind of demonstration here. Okay, friends, here we go. So I think that looks actually really nice. I can turn them on or off with the remote. Line of sight there. Dim them. Those actually put out quite a bit of light here too. I'll just turn that off as you guys can see. What's nice, it's nice to have that battery backup too, if in case the power goes out. And if I'm not, I mean, if the power is on, I could obviously have these on full charge and just turn them on whenever, but 50 hours of charge time is decent. They say it has 10,000 mega amp hours in the battery. So if that's the case, it's quite a bit. I actually, I really like these. Has a nice, they're not too fancy, and they put out quite a bit of light. I could probably read by this light. And yeah, I think it looks really good. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.